Today we're visiting Donibristle Chapel, also known as the Mortuary Chapel of the Earls of Moray. This is an Episcopalian place of worship and a mortuary chapel for the residents of Donibristle House, the Moray family. The title Earl of Moray was originally held by the rulers of the province of Moray, which existed from the 10th century with varying degrees of independence from the Kingdom of Alba to the south. Until 1130, the status of Moray's rulers was ambiguous, and they were described in some sources as more mayors, sometimes as Kings of Moray, and in others as Kings of Alba. The position was suppressed by David I of Scotland sometime after his victory over Angus of Moray at the Battle of Stracathro in 1130. However, in 1312 it was recreated as a feudal earldom by Robert the Bruce, as it was granted to Thomas Randolph, the first Earl of Moray, seen here wearing the full face helmet in this image. The title has subsequently been created several times in the peerage of Scotland, and it has been held by Clan Stuart since the 16th century, when James Stuart, the illegitimate son of James V, was granted the title. The chapel was designed by architect Alexander McGill, who also designed nearby Donibristle House, as well as other Scottish chapels and the impressive Mount Stuart House on the Isle of Bute. You can find Alexander's name inscribed on the interior staircase inside the chapel. It was completed in 1731, and today, apparently sealed under the floor, are 17 coffins, 9 of which are Earls of Moray. The first laid to rest here is Charles, the 6th Earl, who died in 1735, and the last is George Philip, the 14th Earl, who died in 1895. On the front of the building can be seen a stone plaque flanked by decorative scrolls and topped by a circle containing half of the Moray and half of the Campbell coat of arms, signifying the union between Charles Stuart and Lady Anne Campbell. Below that can be seen a Latin inscription which has been translated as, "This temple, consecrated to the founder of time and eternity, dedicated to the practice of the most holy religion, for their heirs a spur to that true nobility which is grounded in virtue, for themselves and their descendants, a haven where, with furled sails, they may find rest in the place where they would be, Charles and Anne, Earl and Countess of Moray, caused to be built and decorated in 1731 of the Christian era and the 5th year of the reign of George II. In 1972, Donibristle Chapel achieved the status of a Category A listed building, and it's located close to Dalgety Bay in Fife. It's clearly signposted on the Fife coastal path, so it's easy to find and an interesting site to visit. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe for more, and I'll see you on my next video somewhere else in the world. See ya!